Welcome to this video that shows you how to submit your income tax return using SARS eFiling. You will need to log in to your eFiling profile in order for you to submit your return. After logging in, you'll be taken to your portfolio dashboard page. Click on the 2019 return link. Your income tax return will be issued. Click the My Tax Return ITR12 link. You are now on the form creation wizard, which will create your customized income tax return based on the information you supply. Read the message carefully, especially regarding your banking details and information received from your employer. Check that the tax reference number and the year of assessment is correct. Click OK. You will now answer the questions according to your tax affairs in order to create your customized income tax return. Depending on what you complete in the form wizard, various sections will appear. The sections are color-coded. If a section is red, it means you need to supply information. If it is blue, it means you have supplied all the information required. In some sections, fields will be pre-populated. Check that this information is correct against your supporting documents. The deduction section is an important part of your return. You must check that all information is correct. If anything is missing, please add the information. All sections will be blue once you have correctly completed the return. Before you submit your return, you can make a tax calculation based on the completed return by clicking the Calculate button. When you click Calculate, your return is automatically saved and you will see the results of your calculation. If you're sure that you have completed your return accurately and honestly, you can now click Submit Return to SARS. However, you can save the return and come back later to work on it again. To save the return, click Save. Remember that if you click Save, your return is not submitted. You will have to come back and click Submit Return to SARS for it to be sent to SARS. Your return has been successfully submitted. If you click Continue, you'll be able to see your assessment. To open the assessment, click on ITR12 under Notice of Assessment. This is where you can check if you have been selected for audit or verification. You can then close and log out of eFiling or continue to use other eFiling services. Thank you for submitting your return via eFiling. SARS, at your service.